just don't want your friends to show up and say, when are you going to get your floors done? When you just had them done because you chose something that was out of style. So let's go over 3 flooring trends that died in 2022. Number 3, LVP, aka luxury vinyl plank. I hate to tell you this, but this is not a hardwood floor. It is a plastic floor. And why is the name luxury in there? I imagine it got its name something like this. How can we sell cancer-causing plastic floors made from the same material as PVC pipes to middle-class America for a massive profit? Well, the middle class loves to buy things that make them feel like the upper class. So I would say put the word luxury in it. Okay. How about luxury plastic flooring? Well, that's a good start, but plastic sounds cheap and people know what it is. So what's something that would be a synonym for plastic? Here's an entire list. Things that will wind up in a landfill in 5 years or less. Carcinogens, a solution that appears green but is actually made of petroleum. Oh. Wrong list. Polyethylene, polycarbine, wait. Here's one that doesn't sound like hazardous waste. Vinyl. Vinyl it is. Luxury vinyl floor. That is not quite right. We need a word at the end to just make it feel real, to bring it together. You mean like a real plank of wood? Plank. That's it. Luxury vinyl plank. They'll never see it coming. I love it. One more toxic product we can sell to the unsuspecting middle class at an enormous profit. Luxury vinyl plank. All jokes aside, luxury vinyl plank is nothing but plastic flooring. It off-gases toxic and cancer-causing agents into your home for the duration of its lifespan. It is a cheap knockoff of the real thing. It's designed to sucker in middle-class homeowners trying to appear like they can afford real hardwood flooring. Number 2, gray-stained floors. They were absolutely the rage starting in about 2017. Since then, it's cooled off a bit. In 2023, it's safe to say it is completely dead. Some trends just come and go. It's the cycle. But I believe LVP is actually one of the large reasons that gray has died out quickly. There's been a massive amount of gray LVP that's been installed over the last 5 years. People who actually fork over the money for real hardwood do not like their real hardwoods to look like the plastic flooring that is being thrown into every cheap flip house nationwide. The look has been killed by overuse. However, if you are dead set on some type of gray, I would recommend going with a natural grayish tone. This photo here is red oak stained with weathered oak by Duraseal and finished with a water-based finish. Number 1, whites on oak flooring. This includes oak stained white or finished with white sealers and finishes. We have seen massive popularity of these floors over the past couple of years, but it is dying off. When you try to stain or finish oak flooring with white, it gets this unnatural glow to it. It looks like someone rolled an opaque sheet of plastic over the whole floor. It's not attractive, and it also doesn't wear well. And it's not going to age well either. I find that most people who want this look are going for a lighter beach house type look. You can use a white stain mixed with another color, for example a beige or a light gray. This photo here is a pine job we finished in a mixture of white stain and sand dune. And those are bonus stain colors. This turned out amazing. If you're getting a new floor installed, I would recommend that you talk about the look with your installation company ahead of time, because there are certain types of wood that already have this light beach house look and they don't need much color work done to them. That sums up the 3, but let's just shotgun off 5 other trends that have been dead long before 2023 so you can avoid those too. 1, red mahogany and all other red stain colors. Stay away. 2, super dark stains like ebony, true black, cocoa. They show dirt and dust like nothing you can imagine. 3, floors that have sawing marks in them or hand scrape. They look cheap now. They look like LVP. They look like the fake thing. 4, golden oak, early American, and Puritan pine. These are all really light brown colors. They just look old. They just look like they're from the 90s. 5, semi-gloss and gloss finish floors. If you're getting your floor done, you get it finished in satin or matte. Satin's better. Satin's going to be a little more durable, but matte's good too. Anything shinier, avoid at all costs. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, you might also like the one right up here.